Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. All of you open your EVS book, Our Environment, fast. Yes, very good. Page number 14. Yesterday we have seen up to page number 13, different types of food, what will happen if you will not eat food, and what are the effects of skipping the meal and all we have seen. So today we'll go for the page number 14. Wow, so beautiful pictures they have given. They seem very tasty, isn't it? Okay, so let's read what they have given. There are some other food items that seem to be very tasty but are not good for health. Okay, these pictures you can see, children, these things are very tasty, but when we eat them, when they enter our stomach, our body, they are not good for our health. Our growth also stops and it may lead to different diseases also. So these are not good for health and these are called junk foods. These are called junk foods. Junk foods means what, children? The food that is tasty but that is not good for health. That is junk food. Okay. Are you a fussy eater? What is this fussy? Fussy means choosy, hard to please. This one, everything you will not eat. You will be choosing some food item. You will eat only the things which you like. Okay, are you a fussy eater? Do you keep saying no to healthy food? When somebody gives you healthy food and you will be saying no? No, you should not do that. Ask your friends. You can ask your friends in the neighbor and all whether they are fussy eater, they are choosy, and they will be saying no to the good healthy food. You have to ask them. Ask them. Find out who are fuzzy eaters. Then this is a small activity you can do nearby your house. You can ask your friends whether they are fuzzy or whether you are fuzzy, and you say no to healthy food. Okay. Now, they have given a poem related to this. Sing this poem with your friends. You can sing this poem with your friends. So let's start. I don't want this. I don't want that. Fussy children keep saying this. They don't grow strong. They don't grow big. And good health, they really miss. Okay, once again we'll say. I don't want this. I don't want that. Fuzzy children keep saying this. They don't grow strong. They don't grow big. And good health, they really miss. See how nicely they have explained. If you say, I don't want this, I don't want that, saying no to the healthy food, what happens? You will not grow big. You will not become strong. And you will not get a good health. You will be falling ill again and again, visiting the doctor. Your nose will be running with that nosy and all. Okay, you will get fever and headache. All these things will happen to the child which is weak, not for the healthy children. Healthy children never fall ill. So if you want to become healthy, you have to eat healthy foods. Okay. Now next see what they have given. Zubin and Benit have just finished their meal. Now Zubin and Benit, they just finished their meal. Look at their plates. Can you see here two plates? This is Zubin's plate and this is Benit's plate. Okay. Do you find any difference? Is there any difference in between these two plates, children? Yes, Benit has finished his food completely. He has eaten whatever is served in his plate. He has finished that. Even dal and sabzi, roti, rice, everything he has finished. But Zubin, he has left the food in the plate. Is it good, children? You eat food like this? I'm going to ask your parents. This is not good. This is bad. Eat how much you want, that much only you must take and you must finish it out. Okay, you must not waste the food. You know how much time it take to grow rice and all. Okay, within no time you will be wasting these things. So you should not waste food. So let's see what they have given next. Okay. We should not waste food like Zubin. Like Zubin, we must not waste food. Food is costly. Without amount, will you get anything in the market? In free, you will get? If you say, give me some wheat, give me some rice, they will give you? No, you have to pay for that. Then only you'll get the thing. Food is costly, and there are many people in the world who do not get 3 meals a day. 3 meals, which I have told you, breakfast, lunch, dinner. This is the basic thing everyone should eat. Then only we will grow. But some poor people will not get meals also, 3 meals also per day. They will be hungry, starving for the food. Okay. We should be thankful to God. We should say thank you to God that we get good food to eat. Whenever a plate is served, just pray to God. ದೇವರಿಗೆ ನೆನೆಸ್ಬೇಕು, ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಲೋ ತಂಗೆ ಊಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗಾಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸೋ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Wow, so nicely they have given. Once again, we'll sing, children. Okay, start. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. For everything, you must say thank you to God. Okay, so let's revise what we have learned. We all need food to get energy and to grow. To grow, we need food, and we get energy also from the food. We should eat healthy food. When we eat healthy food, we will grow strong and healthy. We will not fall ill. Okay. Junk food is not good for health. Junk food is very tasty, but when it enters our body, it is not good for health. Okay. We should not create a fuss while eating. We should not create a fuss. When your mama is giving you something, chapati, sabzi, roti, dal, mama, I don't want this, I don't want that. You should not say that. Whatever mama serves you, you have to eat that. Okay. We should not waste food. How much you want, that much only you must tell mama. Mama, please serve me half roti. Again I will take, you must tell. Instead of taking 2 to 3 rotis and wasting them, you should not do that. How much you want, you must take, and you must finish it out. Whatever is served in your plate. Okay. These are the things we have learned. So new words they have given here. Energy, that is power, ability to do work. When we eat food, we get energy. We get power to do work. Okay. Growth, increase in size. When we are baby, we are small papu. But as we grow, we will become bigger, biggest will become. Okay, like this. So this is growth. This is growth. Now junk food. Food that is tasty but not good for health. It is tasty, I do agree, it is tasty, but it is not good for health. So we should not eat junk foods. Okay. Fussy, choosy, hard to please, saying no to everything is, I don't want this, don't want that. He is a fuzzy. Okay. I think this is enough for today. So meet you in the next class, children. Okay, thank you.